Now that you know the order of sharps and the order of flats, and how that's constructed and what that means for a scale and a key signature, we can start to look at all of the key signatures collectively and find some really interesting patterns. So the order of sharps to review is F, C, G, D, A, E, B, and the order of flats is the exact reverse of the order of sharps, B, E, A, D, G, C, F. If we start at the key that has no sharps or flats, that's C major. And if we go up to the fifth note in that key, C, D, E, F, G, we get one sharp, which is G major. And if we go up to the fifth note in that, G, A, B, C, D, we get D major, which is two sharps. And then if we go up to the fifth note in that key, D, E, F, G, A. Now we have A. We can continue that pattern up the next 5 notes to E, and then the fifth note of the E scale, count, B, and the fifth note of that scale is F. But wait a second. It is F, but by the time we've added that many sharps, we've already sharped F. So this isn't the key of F, because we already saw in the last video that's a flat key. This is the key of F sharp. Now if we go up 5 notes in F sharp, we get C. But as we've already seen from that pattern, we now have C sharp. So our major keys, C has no sharps or flats, and then G has 1, D has 2, A has 3, E has 4, B has 5, F sharp has 6, and C sharp has 7. Now let's look at flat keys. If we start with C, and there's no sharps or no flats, and we go down to the subdominant, down 5, or if you want to think going up to the fourth, that's fine. Down 5 and up 4 is the same note. We get the key of F. And then if we go to the subdominant in that, F, G, A, B, we get B. Wait a second, B is already a key over here, and that's a sharp key. This is B flat, because by the time we've added 2 flats, one of those flats is B. But of course, we already saw that in the previous lesson, because the last flat is Fa, and the second to last flat is Do, which means that in any key that we have at least 2 flats, Do is going to be flat. So let's go up to the Fa, the scale degree 4 in this key. We would get E, and by the time we get to 3 flats, E is also flat. So, of course, the pattern is going to continue. A flat, and then D flat, and then the next one would be G flat, and then we would end, count, to C flat. So we'll notice that almost everything is flat except for the one key that has 1 flat, because in each of these keys, the second to last flat is the tonic.